Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this magenta and purple eye look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep watching. And also, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So first thing that I did was I primed my eyelids. I like to prime with concealer and then set with a little bit of translucent powder. And then I'm going into my Kaleidos eyeshadow palette. I'll leave the name of this one in the description box down below. But I just grabbed the really cool toned transition color and I just started to buff this into my crease, kind of focusing this on the outer half of my crease. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and I'm going into this magenta shade right here. And we're just going to start to add this line on the very outer half of our crease. And we're going to start to just build depth on that outer half. And I'm just going in left to right motions, making sure that this line is super pigmented. And then we will start to blend it out. To blend this line out, I'm going to be going back into the first shade that we went into, which is the really light, cool toned color. And I'm going into my small tapered brush. And I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line, and we're just starting to build a nice gradient. And we're gonna be going in with some black next. So I just did my best to really blend out that line and just start to build some depth. So we're going into our angled brush by Colourpop. And the palette that I was using didn't have a black eyeshadow, so I picked up my Morphe 3503 palette. And I really like the black eyeshadow in that palette, so I just went into the black. And I'm just starting to apply that to the very outer part of my crease, kind of like exactly where we applied the first one, but this time we're going in with black. And then we're going to be going into another small tapered brush, and first going into that magenta shade and going in left to right motions, and then picking up a little bit of that black shade and just really starting to blend it and smoke it out and diffuse it. That way we have a really nice blended gradient. And then as soon as you feel like you have that blended enough, I'm going to go into my angled Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And I just carved my crease, and I'm also applying this all over my lid. After we applied that concealer down, I'm going into this really small compact brush, and I'm picking up some translucent powder, and I'm just packing that over top of the concealer. That way it does not crease or budge, because we're going to be doing a lot of blending on the lid, so I just want to make sure that we have a nice canvas for that. So I'm going into this Jelly Much shadow. Once again, all of the makeup details will be in the description box down below. But I'm just applying it all over my lid. Didn't wet it with any Fix Plus or anything. This is exactly how it looks. It's absolutely stunning, and highly, highly recommend the Colourpop Jelly Much shadows if you haven't tried them already. And then I'm going into this small tapered brush and that magenta shade, and just diffusing that onto the outer edge, and then going into the black shade with this pencil brush and just really focusing that once again on the outer edge and just kind of feathering inward whatever's left over so that it blends into that magenta shade. And then going back into our tapered brush and going back into that magenta shade, and then once again just making sure that everything's really nice and blended. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. And then for lashes for this look, I'm using my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. Link will always be in the description box down below to check out our lashes. And then I'm going into my CoverGirl Full Spectrum Black Liner in my waterline. And then for the lower lash line, I'm doing something super similar to what we did in the upper crease. So first going into that first transition color, and then going into that magenta shade, and then with my angled brush, I'm going into that black eyeshadow and just focusing that on the very outer corner and then blending everything together. And then mascara, I'm using my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, which is probably my favorite mascara to use on my lower lashes. It just really separates them and gives them a nice length. And then for my inner corner, I'm just grabbing my Pop Beauty Gilded Light Highlight. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below if you liked it. I definitely think that these colors really complemented my eyes, and I think that it would look really stunning on different eye colors. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!